In this video, we'll look at how to switch LibreWolf to a dark theme for both websites and the browser interface. First, click the application menu, the three lines in the top right corner, and select Settings. In the General section, scroll down to Language and Appearance. Under that, you'll find Website Appearance. It's probably set to Automatic. You may notice that you can't change it. LibreWolf displays a message saying that this feature is disabled because resist fingerprinting is enabled, which forces websites to display in a light theme. Fingerprinting is a technique websites use to identify and track your browser based on its unique characteristics. If you don't mind disabling this protection, scroll back to the top of Settings and use the search box. Search for Resist Fingerprinting and disable the setting. Now go back to Website Appearance and select Dark. Websites that support dark mode will now display using a dark theme. If you'd rather keep fingerprinting protection enabled, your best option is to use a dark browser theme instead. Websites will still appear in light mode, but the browser interface itself will be dark. To do that, open the menu again and select Extensions and Themes. Then choose Themes from the left sidebar and enable the dark color scheme. You can also combine both options if you've disabled Resist Fingerprinting. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other LibreWolf tutorials.